Wait.
Hello guys, so this is the new Realme Watch S. So you can see this is the box, and here is the back side of the box. So here it is written over there, you can see the MRP 7999, so around 8,000, but I got it for around 4,500 on the Flipkart sale. So let's open the box. So I have removed the plastic covering, so let's see what's inside the box now. So here you can see the first look of the watch. So here you go, it's in the pretty good plastic case here. So here is the watch. Let's keep it aside for a moment. Let's see what's inside the box. So let me take this out. So now you can see this is the user manual that is there, which tells you all the features and how to use the watch. And this is the main thing. This is a magnetic charger that comes on within the box. So here it should stick. Let's see how. See, so this is magnetic charger. So just have to put it in your normal charger and then just place your watch on it. See, it snaps, so it doesn't go on from the back side, so it will only go in one side. So not even wrong way you can put it, so it will only go to this side. So that is a really cool thing. So pretty good strap, and here your SpO2 and your heart rate monitor is there. So let's see, let's start the watch. So it has a vibrator also, so it vibrates when you just turn it on. So here you can see on the screen. So here is English. So touch is pretty intuitive, so I'm able to scroll easily. See, so let's try here. So there are the different languages. So let's choose English, and then okay, so now you have to scan the QR code from the app in order to use this watch. So scanning. So see, I'm downloading the app from Play Store. So this was the app that I found. So this is the Realme Link app. So just let me download here quickly. You can see that I have just logged into this app, and then it has asked me to turn on the Bluetooth. So I've done that. So it has automatically found this watch. So that was pretty quick. I don't have to do anything. So just have to click on the watch. So see, it is automatically connecting. So I didn't do anything. See, there is a notification on the watch itself. So there is a binding request. So I'll just click on this. So binding success. So that's it. So here you can see from the very first, this is the time it is showing up, and now we have to do the other things from the app. Here you can see this. I have to add my date of birth and everything. So here the steps and calorie, and there other things are there, but I need to first do this from the app. So let me do that. So here you can see that I have added my personal information regarding my weight and height and everything, date of birth. So now you can see that the firmware is getting upgraded, so it automatically started on the watch. So once it is done, then I will let you know further. So here you can see that this is the basic display, and then here you can get all the other apps. From the icons, it is pretty much very easy to find out that what this app is for. And if you swipe from bottom, then you will get the apps, and then if you do this, then you will get outdoor walk, indoor, outdoor. I think there are 16 kind of different activities that you can play with. And the next is let me show you that if you want to have cool faces, just click on this, and then this is a face gallery. So here you can see that there are number of faces that here. So I think let me try this one. So this is sync. Let me download this. So see, it is downloading now. So then once it is done, then it will be synced to the watch, and then you pretty much see the same face over here. So once it is done, then you just have to swipe between different faces, so nothing is required. So let it sync. So this is around 411 KB. So best thing about the watch is regarding the multiple faces. I think around more than 100 faces that you can choose from. So let it complete, and it's almost done. Syncing is almost done. So here you can see the same is there. So let me just try to put it on and see how it looks. Okay, so here you can see, so if you just do from this to this, then you will see the time. So it is around 3:33 seconds is coming. So let me try different things here. So this is calories, this is the temperature, and this is sleep. So this is regarding the beats per minute. So let's see how it does. And so it will tell me. So I think right now it is automatically the auto setting for the sleep is on. So I will check that how to turn it off. So that's it for now, and I will share another video. So here you can see the 76 BPM is showing up here. So that is there. So other things, I have bought another strap for this. I will tell you how to change the strap also. So that's it for now. Thank you.